Hi, my name is Jeff Fifey. I'll be showing you how to remove and replace a fuel pump on a Lincoln Continental. Okay, now just pull our tank out from underneath the car. Nice and easy. Want to put a hole in it, puncture the tank at all. Okay, now to remove our fuel pump, you're going to need two tools, a chisel and a hammer. It has, if you notice here, it has a ring that holds the fuel pump affixed and firmly. Take your chisel, put it right there till you see the little tab, and we want to tap going counterclockwise, real lightly.